infinity mirror and all kinds of other cool things using um, microcomputers, and she shows you how to do that. J Way Real One, thank you for showing up and sending a wave. Thank you. Then we've got Drone Bot Workshop, another really good one there. If you guys don't know what AIY kits, you should find out. It's really cool. Kitatonic Kitten is here to stay, hopefully. Thank you for showing up and saying hello. I really appreciate you. Um, what else we got? We've got the Jayo Nation. You guys know the Jayo Nation? It is another fun channel where Matt, I think his name is Matt, um, he goes around on his recumbent bike all over the place, and he does tours of China and other places everywhere. He's in America now doing cool things. He's even done van life kind of stuff. Who else we've got? We've got MedCram. MedCram. During the pandemic, we had crappy information out there, but you could always rely on MedCram to show you stuff that is not biased from politics or that's being rammed down the throat or whatever it is that they do these days with news. That girl Monique, thank you for saying hello and waving. Really appreciate you showing up today to say hello. What else is another good channel is Agenda Free TV. Agenda Free TV. When here, this is your local Google guide from Irvine, California, Woodbridge, Marco Reviews. So when we had fires here, we had some horrible fires here in Irvine, California, Woodbridge. He was the only reliable source of news at the time, Agenda Free TV, and he helped us through navigate a really bad situation where we didn't know. Some of people had to get even taken out, had to leave Irvine, California, Woodbridge because of the fires, but we could count on Agenda Free TV to keep us ahead of things. So that was cool. Yo, what's up, Corrine Carroll? Thank you for showing up. Thank you, everybody who is here. We have so many people here in the chat, which is so unreal. Tina, sometimes, thank you. Just Mawa 73, thank you for showing up. This is so cool, guys. I am not used to this. This is so flattering to have all you guys here. Michael Botello, number one, thank you for being here. Who else we've got here? We've got Valuetainment. If you guys don't know Valuetainment, thank you, Samantha, or sorry, Sav Maria 87. My eyes are not good, and there's glare coming in from the sun here on the monitor. And we've got Shyla Rosie 22. Thank you for showing up. So Valuetainment is a channel that, if you guys don't know, it